SMUD's taking away the old refrigerator. Made by General Motors. So long. Is this the oldest refrigerator you've had in Sacramento?
Yeah, it's one of the oldest.
It's 1964 or something.
About 1964. I could say it's a little bit older, probably 1959, 1960, something like that.
It's vintage.
Okay, now the wire.
Are you going to use a sledgehammer? Or? Oh, is that it?
Now we continue with the...
Oh, he's going to take the doors off.
The door gasket. All of it.
So why do you have to do that?
I have to do it because the company wants to... I make sure nobody else, after I pick it up, nobody else use it. Well, what I do this because some of the employees long time ago didn't do this, didn't destroy it, and then
people would
when he pick it up, good units, he resell it to somebody else.
Oh, I see.
And then now we have to start to destroy it in the place where we pick it up because we don't have temptations on the road.
Yeah.
So
tear it up.
If I try to sell it, people is going to tell me, oh no, I got to find the gasket.
It's worthless now.
And for one unit of this one, where you are going to find gasket for this? Nowhere. Okay, now the pain.
Oh! Ah! Man.
Ready?
That's good. Oh, what else? Oh, yeah.
One more.
Okay, here we go.
This is the control.
Oh, that's sad.
So we destroyed everything.
Yipes.
Now it's ready.
Very good. What's your name again? What's your name?
Manuel.
Manuel. Good job, Manuel.
Thank you.
I'm getting misty-eyed now.
Oh, yeah. Too many remembers with this one.
Lots of memories.
Yeah.
Well, this is a good program then, you know.
It is, because many people doesn't know what to do with this all units. Some people just keep it in the backyard,
yeah,
or the garage,
a beer fridge, huh?
Or just dump it in the streets.
Yeah, that's not good.
Highway, you know.
And that's bad for the environment.
Very bad.
All right. It's colorful. Ooh.
Okay.
Good job, Manuel.